Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share about Roche mechanism. First of all, we have to discuss about what is Roche. Roche means renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. This Roche is mainly involved in the regulation of blood pressure. When the Roche is activated means whenever the decrease in blood pressure or decrease in blood volume, that is called as hypovolemic situation. During these conditions, Roche system will be activated. It directly stimulates the kidney. From the kidney, the part is called as juxtaglomerular apparatus. This juxtaglomerular apparatus stimulates the release of the substance is called as renin. Once releasing of the renin from the juxtaglomerular apparatus of the kidneys, this renin directly stimulates the liver. From the liver, the substance is released is called as angiotensinogens. Once release the angiotensinogens, this renin convert the angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Angiotensinogen is the inactive form. This angiotensin 1 is the active form. Once the conversion of angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1, this angiotensin 1 stimulates the lungs. From the lungs, the substance is released is called as angiotensin converting enzyme. This angiotensin converting enzyme convert the angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. Once the conversion of angiotensin 2, this angiotensin 2 has a two dual function. One is it constriction of the blood vessels, that is called as vasoconstriction. During the vasoconstriction, it increases the blood pressure. Another one is it directly stimulates the adrenal gland. The part is called as adrenal cortex. One stimulation of the adrenal cortex that releases the hormone is called as aldosterone. This aldosterone causes increase the sodium retention from the kidneys, and also it increases the water reabsorption from the proximal convoluted tubule, which leads to increase the blood volume. Once increase the blood volume take place, that leads to increase the blood pressure. So this is the way the Roche is regulation of the blood pressure. When the blood pressure is decreased, it increases the blood pressure. If the Roche is dysregulated, that leads to consistently increase the blood pressure, that is called as hypertension. During hypertension, we have to take the antihypertensive drugs. If you are administered renin inhibitors, it inhibits the conversion of angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. So there is no further conversion of angiotensin to take place. If you are administered ACE inhibitor if you are administered, it blocks the conversion of angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. So once block the angiotensin 2, though there is no further conversion of adrenal gland cortex region. So it decrease the aldosterone level and also decrease the sodium retention, decrease the water reabsorption, decrease the blood volume, that leads to decreased blood pressure. If you are administered angiotensin 2 antagonists, that block the vasoconstriction, that means instead of vasoconstriction, it leads to vasodilatation. Once vasodilatation takes place, that leads to decreased blood pressure. So this is the way the antihypertensive drugs they are acting, thereby it reduces the blood pressure. Once the Roche is mainly involved in the regulation of blood pressure, And hypertensive drugs, antihypertensive drugs, they block these activities by regulation of the blood pressure. So this is the way they take place the ROS mechanism and antihypertensive drugs involved in acting on the ROS. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe. We will meet again.